This is the only real proof that some places were never meant to be entered, and it's absolutely terrifying. In 1916, at the Whitestone Hotel, a century-old building in Denver, Colorado, guests began reporting a strange door at the end of the third floor, door 301. The problem? According to the manager, there was no such room on that floor. The reports kept coming. Always at night, always the same description. A dark, weathered wooden door with the number 301 carved into it, as if etched by hand. But during the day, the door would vanish without a trace. Security cameras never caught anything, just an empty hallway. Then one night, a hotel employee, curious about the rumors, decided to wait there until the end of the night shift. At 3:12 a.m., the door appeared. He went in. He never came back out. There's no record of him going downstairs, checking out, or even leaving the building. The most disturbing part? The hotel's system logged his keycard's last use as room 301, never registered. And on the building's technical blueprints, that space doesn't physically exist.